That's 3 books, Varro. You gonna blame the brass again, or admit you just can't read a face?
Smiling's easy when you got blood left to spare. Some of us rationed ours this week.
That's your fault for betting your rations on the Ashen scores. Nobody beats smoke and prayer.
You'd be surprised. I heard one of them, lantern singers, took down a machine out east.
Machines don't fall. They rust politely.
You feel that?
Yeah, probably just the pipes. They groan when the vault gets cold.
No, that's not cold. That's... All rise for her eternal majesty.
Queen Ombrassa Asen Kai Philatharos, the shadow of brass, the hunger crowned, first of her name, eternal matriarch of the Sanguisynth, keeper of the crimson veins, daughter of the earth's molten blood, mistress of the brass chords, breaker of kin, weaver of filigree, sovereign of smoke and silence, she who endures, the undying flame of crimson velvet. The air trembles, Commander Duelan. There is a note beneath the silence, a rhythm I have not heard in eons.
You sense the sky hum, Majesty. I thought it lost to time.
Not the hum itself, its echo. A ripple from the river. Something dares to remember what we were before the hunger.
Should I raise the guard?
If time stirs, no blade can hold it still. We will listen, and we will appear unshaken. Ever the vigilant one, sister. But the court waits for beauty, not worry. Let them dance. Let the blood remember grace.
Behold the blood-born muses, daughters of rhythm and devotion, keepers of the pulse that binds blood to time.
Every breath is a ritual, slow like dawn, burning from the inside, but I still stay calm. Heard your name in the silence, it never fades. I've been dreaming in echoes, gold in my veins. Touch me like time don't move. Let the rhythm tell the truth. Every scar, every flame, every proof. Still I rise, still I bloom, still I bloom.
That's right. Feed my beautiful muses.
I've seen it before. Not with my eyes, but in dreams that don't belong to me. The river of time, golden and endless, running along the edge of a black sun. It hums like a heartbeat, or maybe a memory. whispering names I don't remember forgetting. Every current looks like a choice we never made. Every ripple, a life we could have lived. Sometimes I wonder, if we're not traveling through time, maybe time's been moving through us. And maybe, just maybe, the river's not calling us home. Maybe it's remembering who we were before we learned to drown.
Malik, please tell me you know where we are.
We're close. The charts say the river flows just past that light ring.
That light ring is an event horizon. You're aiming us at a black hole.
Calm down. We're not going into it, just beside it. Like surfing the edge of eternity.
You don't surf eternity, Malik. Eternity eats you.
We just need to slip through the gravity seam. I can feel it.
You feel it? Malik, that's not navigation, that's guessing.
Stop pressing things.
Stop pretending you know what you're doing.
There, you see it? The river remembers.
Malik.
We're almost there.
Malik, are you seeing this? It's real. Malik is actually real.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be this alive.
Look, the strands, do you see them?
Yeah, past, present, future, all tangled together. Every choice, every heartbeat.
Every version of us. It's beautiful.
It's dangerous.
So, everything's worth knowing.
Sanaa, stop. We don't know what that stuff is.
You said yourself, time remembers. Maybe it remembers us.
Sanaa.
Malik, I can see it. Everything.
Malik. I felt it. A tremor across the current. The river shuddered. It remembered something long buried. I saw cities of brass, rising and burning. Faces I've never met, calling my name through the smoke. And beyond it all, a silence so deep, it tasted like forever. They touched the current, and the current answered. The past screamed, the future wept, and time bent to listen.
I got gold in my veins, love in my scars. Shine through the smoke, been reaching for stars. If I burn, let me burn in the dark. Still I glow, till I glow. Got gold in my veins, love in my scars. Shine through the smoke, been reaching for stars.